Hello kids, in today's class we are going to move ahead in this chapter and we will learn that how we have to add the mixed fractions. So till now we have learned how to add the simple fractions and also we know that what are the mixed numbers or the mixed fractions, right? So let us see that how we have to add the mixed fractions. So kids, for mixed fractions we have two ways to add them. The first way is to add the mixed fractions directly, and the second way is to change the mixed fractions into the normal unlike fractions and then add. Okay, so let's learn first. Let's take a few examples. I'm taking the first example where we are going to learn how to add mixed fractions mixed fractions directly. Okay, so I'm taking one mixed fraction here. Same example I'm taking here. This is 1 3 by 6 and the another one is 2 5 by 6. So now when we have to add these two fractions directly, what we are going to do is we are going to add their whole numbers first and then we are going to add the remaining fractional part. Okay, so in the first one, 1 is the whole number and in the second one, 2 is the whole number. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add the whole numbers first. Okay, so this will be 1 plus 2 and this will give us 3. Okay, so we have added the whole numbers. Now what we have to do is we have to add the remaining fractional part. So what we have here is 3 by 6 plus 5 by 6 and we know that these are the like fractions. Why? Because their denominators are same, so we can add them directly. Okay, so when we are going to add them, we are going to get 8 by 6, right? This will be 8 by 6 and now we can further reduce it to the lower term. Let's do it. We know that 2 is a factor of both of them, so this is 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 3 is 6. So what we are going to get here is 4 by 3. And kids, we know that 4 by 3 is improper fraction, right? This is our improper fraction and we have to change this improper fraction into a normal fraction. And how we can do it? We can just divide the numerator with the denominator. This is 3 into 1 is 3. So now what we are going to do? We are going to write it in the form of a mixed fraction and the formula is QR by D, which will make the mixed fraction as Q, that is quotient 1, R remainder 1 again, and then we have the another one which is your 3. We have got here 1 by 3. This is Q, R and the divisor 3. Now this is one part that we have got by adding the fractions. This was the whole number. Now what we have to do, we have to combine them together. So we have 3 plus 1, 1 by 3. Again add the whole parts. 3 plus 1 will become 4 and this will become 4 plus 1 by 3, which can be written as 4 1 by 3. Okay, so I hope you have understood what we have done. We have the two fractions, mixed fractions given to us. We have added the whole numbers first. That is 1 plus 2, which is giving us 3. We are keeping it on one side. Okay, this 3. Now we have picked up the fractional part, 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. Since these are like fractions, we can add them directly. So after adding them, we have got 8 by 6 and we have reduced to the simplest form. We have got 4 by 3 and we know this is improper fraction. So we have changed it into the mixed number by dividing this, and we know how we have to do this and then put this again in the form of a mixed number. So when we are adding this, the final answer is 1 by 3. Now what we have to do, we have to add this to the whole number 3. So this is 3 plus 1 by 3, which is 4 1 by 3. This is our answer. Okay, so kids, this is the one way of doing this question, the by where we are adding the whole number and the fractional part separately. Next, I'm picking up the same fractions, but I'm doing it with the another method now. Okay, so let's see what we can do it here. Let us first change these mixed fractions to normal fractions. So this will be 6 into 1 is 6 plus 3, 9. 9 by 6. And similarly, this one 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 by 6. This is the fractions. So since we see that both the denominators, they are same, so that means this is like fraction. So what we are going to do, this is 9 plus 17, 9 plus 17, and then this is divided by 6. Okay, so 9 plus 17 is 26. This is 26 divided by 6. And next what we have to do, we know that this fraction has 2 as common factor. So let us change it to simplest form first. So this is 2 into 3, 2 into 13. So we have got 13 by 3. Now change it to mixed number. How? By dividing. This is 3 into 4, 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now write it into the mixed fraction form, which is QR by D, and here this will be quotient is 4, remainder is 1, and divisor is 3. So this is the answer, and if you see that in the method 1 also we have the same answer. This is method 1, this is method 2. So now you know both the methods and you can pick any method for solving your questions. Okay, so I hope this is clear, kids. And now let us proceed further with the exercise. Let us quickly do this exercise 6E, and here also in the question it is written that we have to solve the question and we can pick any method we want. So let us do one thing. Let us do few questions with both the methods here. Okay, I'm just erasing this part as well quickly so that we can solve these questions here. Okay, the first question is very straightforward, kid. Here, question number 1. So we have 5 plus 3, 1 by 2. What we are, let us solve this with the first part, okay, adding the whole numbers and the fractions separately. So we have 5 plus 3, this will give us 8. So answer will be 8, and to this 8 we have to add this 1 by 2 also. Answer will be 8 1 by 2. This will be our answer. Okay, so now this is how we have to do this question first. Now I'm also picking question number, let me pick question number 2 also. Okay, so question number 2, we have 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Let us do this with the second method where we have to change it to normal fraction first. So this is 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. This will become 24 by 7 plus 7 into 2 is 14 plus 2 is 16 by 7. Right? Now what we have to do? Add them together. Denominator is same. So 24 plus 16. This is 6 plus 4, 10. 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4. So our answer is 40 by 7. Right? Now for this 40 by 7, let us try to reduce to simplest form because we know they do not have any common factor. So what we have here is 7 into 5 is 35 and 5 is the remainder. So putting this into QR by D form, quotient is 5, remainder is also 5, and the divisor is 7. This is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood this also, kids. Now let me pick two more questions with these methods. Let me pick question number 8 now. Question number 8 with a method. We have 3, 2 by 5, and the another one we have 2, 1 by 2. So let us add the whole parts first. In the whole parts we have 3 plus 2, which will give us 5. And now let us pick the fraction parts. The fraction parts are 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So kids, if we see here, these are unlike fractions. So that means we have to make them like first. For that, we have to take their LCM. LCM of 5 and 2 will be their product. Why? Because they do not have any common factors. Also, they are prime numbers. Okay, so we have 10 here. Now let us change 2 by 5 to like fractions. So for that, we have to make the denominator as 10. So multiply 5 with 2. Multiply the numerator with the same number, that is 2. So we have 4 by 10 here, right? And next one, the next fraction is 1 by 2. So for 1 by 2, we have to multiply the numerator with 5, denominator with 5 again. So this will become 5 by 10. These are two fractions. Let's add them. 4 by 10 plus 5 by 10. This will give us 9 by 10. Okay, so 9 by 10 is a proper fraction, so there is no need to change it to a mixed fractions. So what we are going to do, pick the whole number 5 and then add 9 by 10 to this. So this will be 5, 9 by 10. This is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood that how we have done this question. Also, I am picking the last question now, which is question number 10. Okay, so in question number 10, kids, what we have is 4 1 by 2 and the another part is 2 3 by 4. So if you see these questions, we can very well see that these are two unlike fractions. To solve this question, I am using the second method now. So that we have solved both the four questions with both the methods. Question number 10. 4 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4. Let us change to the normal fractions. This is 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Second one is 4 into 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. Okay, and these are unlike fractions, so we have to take the LCM of 2 and 4. So kids, the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. Now let's change the fraction. So 9 by 2, multiply the denominator with 2 and the numerator with 2. So we have 18 by 4 here. Similarly, the next fraction we have is 11 by 4. No change to it because we already have 4 in the denominator. Now add the two fractions, this one and this one. So complement to 9 by 2, we have 18 by 4. Complement to 11 by 4 is as is. So when we add them together, we have 29 divided with 4. Okay, so we have 29 divided with 4 and this is not a proper fractions. We have to change it to mixed number then. This 4 into 7 is 28. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then finally write the answer in the form of a mixed fraction. So we have Q as question is 7, remainder is 1 and the divisor as 4 here. So this is 7 1 by 4 is the answer. Okay, so kids, we have done the exercise 6E using both the methods, and the questions which I have not picked, they are homework for you. Please do them, and if you have any query, you can always ask me. So I will see you in the next class now. Thank you.